How to export and sync your Shopify products to eBay with a few easy steps. You'll be surprised how simple this is. So let's get started with the setup. We'll be using Shopify Store as our source for our products and connecting it to eBay. Updates will come from our Shopify store, and any changes to Shopify will be reflected in the target channel, in this case, eBay. Now I'm choosing Shopify as my source. This is where I put my Shopify URL and nickname. It can be any nickname that I recognize. When I click Connect, a Shopify pop-up appears and says you need to install our app. Click here to install. Once Shopify is connected, I click Next. We'll use eBay as our target channel. This is where we want to sync and export our products to. First, I click on the eBay logo. Then, I select my eBay store country and the nickname I want to use. And I click Connect. The eBay pop-up should be open. If not, verify that it hasn't been blocked by your browser. Now, I'm going through the steps for eBay to approve the Export Your Store application. eBay is now connected. Let's click Next and choose our sync settings. Here we can see our settings. I'll walk you through this very briefly. The first option is Autofix SKUs. This is required if you don't have SKUs in your products. Or, if you want, Export Your Store will automatically assign SKUs for them. These settings will fix SKUs on the source channel, which, in our case, is Shopify. By hovering over the Info button, you can learn more. The next options are very easy to understand. I click Next to move to the next step. Okay, we finished the setup and our products are ready for export. We're now getting to the products page where we see all the source products. Let's do a few things before we export our products to eBay. We want our Shopify categories to be the same as our eBay categories, so we'll need to map them prior to exporting. You only need to do this once for each category. Let's say I want to map the category rings. I want to find the eBay category that's closest to my Shopify category of rings. Looking at the search results, the eBay category rings is the best match for our Shopify category. These categories can be remapped at any time. You may want to change how your products will appear on eBay. This is easily done in the rule settings. Any field can be manipulated. You can remove HTML from the description, for example. Change pricing for eBay by adjusting the price by a set percentage from your Shopify pricing. And so much more. Check out our Help Center to learn more. Let's try exporting a Shopify product to eBay. Start by clicking Export. Since this is our first product, we'll need to configure our eBay export settings. Here we can configure the payment profile, shipping profile, return policy, and default location for the product we're exporting to eBay. You can go back and change this configuration at any time. If you've not yet created your profiles in your eBay account, go ahead and set them up now. It's a quick and simple process that should only take you a few minutes. As soon as you've selected your profiles, click Save. Now when I click Export, my Shopify product is on its way to eBay. Now let's see how our Shopify product actually looks on eBay. As you can see, all the images, descriptions, and variations from our Shopify listing have been seamlessly imported into eBay. It looks perfect and professional. In under 5 minutes, and with only a few simple steps, you can expand, export, and sync all of your products from Shopify onto any marketplace. Subscribe for more, and don't forget to visit us at ExportYourStore.com. Thanks for watching.